Welcome back to my channel. Learn with Ms. Laili. Numbers. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikumus salam.
How are you today, everyone? I hope everything is okay with you. My daughter, Hanifah, will accompany me to explain the lesson today. Hanifah, are you ready to help me?
Yes, mother.
Today, we are going to learn numbers in English. There are two kinds of numbers in English. The first one is a cardinal number.
And the second one is an ordinal number.
What is a cardinal number, Hanifah?
A cardinal number says how many of something, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. It does not have fractions or decimals, it is only used for counting.
What about an ordinal number?
An ordinal number tells us the position of something in a list. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on.
Okay, let us use cardinal and ordinal numbers in reality. This is how we can use cardinal numbers. How many cups of water are on the desk beside me?
1, 2, 3. There are 3 cups of water.
How many chairs are there in this room?
There are 6 chairs.
Where are our position now?
I am sitting on the first chair on the left side.
I am sitting on the second chair on the right side. Okay, Hanifah, let us conclude our lesson today.
Okay, mother.
A cardinal number is a number that says how many of something there are.
An ordinal number is a number that tells the position of something in a list.
That is all our lesson today. See you again in the next lesson. Wassalamu alaikum.
Alaikumus salam.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.